Scholl Fungal Nail Treatment Review. Does it really work? Scholl Fungal Nail Treatment Review. Does it really work? Dealing with fungal nail infections can be frustrating. A Scholl Fungal Nail Treatment promises to restore healthy nails. But does it actually work, or is it just marketing hype? Most people get this wrong by expecting overnight results. The surprising truth is that Scholl's treatment contains active antifungal ingredients that can help clear mild to moderate infections over time. It's designed to penetrate the nail and surrounding skin to reduce fungal growth. You won't believe what happens next. Results vary depending on the severity of the infection and consistency of use. Many users report visible improvement after several weeks, but stubborn infections may require longer treatment or professional medical advice. Proper nail care, hygiene, and following the product instructions are critical for success. To use it effectively, clean and dry your nails thoroughly before application. Apply the solution as directed and be patient with results. Avoid using other nail products that might interfere with absorption, and consult a healthcare professional if the infection persists. In conclusion, Scholl Fungal Nail Treatment can be an effective solution for mild to moderate nail fungal infections when used consistently. While results take time, it is not a scam, and many users see significant improvements. Pair treatment with good nail hygiene for the best outcome.